As the Web3 space keeps on evolving, the interest in blockchain technology shows no signs of fading away, and it is expected that the total blockchain market value will hit $67 billion by 2026, and despite the ups and downs in the blockchain space, the value of this Web3 engine would keep increasing. As a result, many new, state-of-the-art platforms have been introduced recently, one of which is the SUI blockchain. What is the SUI blockchain? SUI is a permissionless, proof-of-stake-powered Layer 1 blockchain that has been designed in an attempt to provide instant settlement and high throughput, as well as empower a multitude of next-gen, latency-sensitive decentralized applications. The SUI blockchain is the brainchild of Myson Labs, an R&D company founded by former senior executives at Meta's Novi Research and lead architects of the DM blockchain and Move programming language. According to Evan Cheng, co-founder and CEO at Myson, current Web3 infrastructure is in the dial-up era. It's slow, expensive, capacity-constrained, insecure, and simply hard to build for. With SUI, we are endeavoring to build a blockchain that scales with demand and incentivizes growth, eliminating middlemen, and enabling users across applications to seamlessly integrate and interact with their favorite products. So, what is SUI's architecture? According to SUI's technical documentation, the blockchain consists of three main components. 1. Objects. SUI possesses programmable objects built and managed by Move-enabled smart contracts, which are referred to as objects. 2. Transactions. Transactions describe any changes and updates made to the SUI ledger. 3. Validators. The entire SUI network is handled by independent validators. Each of them runs its own instance of the SUI software on a separate machine. Another aspect. Now, what are the benefits of SUI blockchain? According to its developers, SUI comes with its own set of unique technical features, some of the most interesting of which are parallel transaction execution, a simplified developer experience, a unique approach to security, and enhanced UX for Web3 solutions. Now, let's round up by looking into SUI token. The SUI token is the SUI blockchain's native asset. The token can be staked to take part in the proof-of-stake consensus, can be used to pay gas fees when carrying out transactions and other operations, while it also gives its holder a right to participate in on-chain voting. While the total supply of the token is scrapped at 10 billion, there is still so much unknown about this project. One of the catchy information about this project is the set of people working on the project, which comprises the formal Meta DM team from Facebook, although we cannot take that at face value until we have seen major progress on this project. However, looking at the guys at the end of this project, this might be something to look out for. Guys, this is not financial advice, but for educational purpose only. Kindly let us know what you think about the SUI blockchain in the comments section. According to their white paper, APTOS blockchain is designed with scalability, safety, reliability, and upgradability as key principles. The APTOS blockchain has been developed over the past 3 years by over 350+ developers across the globe. Regardless of what anyone can say, we all can agree that blockchain remain the foundation of cryptos, although Ripple would have a thing to say about that. We can also agree that blockchain through Web3 is the next big thing or the future of the internet, and soon we would all do everything one could possibly do on this technology. There are many projects and products flying around here and there, and we have discussed many of them, so that people can understand what these projects is about and what they offer outside the financial point of view. If you are just seeing this channel, kindly take a look at many other videos right after this. What is APTOS? APTOS is the technological successor to Meta's, formerly Facebook, DM blockchain, formerly known as Libra. APTOS is a Byzantine fault-tolerant, proof-of-stake blockchain designed for security, scalability, and upgradability. APTOS utilizes the Move smart contract language, which was created with an emphasis on safety and flexibility. APTOS has been designed for high throughput and scalability and harnesses parallel transaction processing, sharding for horizontal throughput scalability, advanced state synchronization, and modular design. Okay, so if you don't understand all that technical stuff, ignore them. They can be boring at times anyway. The most important point here is that APTOS has been designed to replicate the cloud infrastructure powering Web 2 in a decentralized way, using blockchain technology to pave the way for Web 3 and decentralized applications. Furthermore, APTOS was created by developers from the Meta blockchain project DM and has been called a Solana killer. Guys, haven't we heard similar notion before? Stay with me, this gets interesting. The design for APTOS facilitates extremely high throughput with low latency, faster bootstrapping, security, and resistance to failures and adversarial actors, with optimization for resource constraints. APTOS is a community-driven blockchain that meets the resource demands of Web 3 and an ecosystem of decentralized applications solving real-world problems. So how does APTOS work? APTOS is a proof-of-stake blockchain which uses an advanced Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism and a set of validators that process, receive, and validate transactions. Token holders stake APT tokens in validators, and this allows validators to have a consensus voting weight which is directly correlated to the number of tokens staked. The consensus voting weight allows a validator to participate in consensus and blockchain governance. APTOS clients are either full node clients, which keep the full record of the APTOS transaction ledger, or light clients, which keep a pruned record of transactions. Both clients query validators for the state and history of the APTOS ledger and submit transactions to be added to the immutable ledger's transaction history. Now, this up by looking into APTOS token, also known as APT. The APTOS token is a utility and governance token based on the APTOS token standard, which has several key qualities. First, the APT token is interoperable. It uses a standard implementation which improves interoperability and compatibility across the APTOS ecosystem. The APTOS ecosystem is still very new and consists of validators, the APTOS Explorer, the APTOS token, public and indexer full nodes, and dApps. It focuses on facilitating liquidity by defining fungible, semi-fungible and non-fungible tokens in a single, smart contract. This quality allows tokens to be easily stored, transferred and transacted, and helps fulfill the first goal of overall interoperability throughout the APTOS ecosystem. APTOS have a total supply of about 1 billion, a current circulating supply of about 130 million, with a market cap of about $965 million, while currently selling slightly above $7. There are so many things to discuss on this project, but this would give you an idea of what the APTOS team is led by CEO, Mo Sheikh, former Meta employee, and CTO and co-founder Avery Ching, also a former Meta employee. The duo was responsible for working to create Meta's DM blockchain and Novi crypto asset wallet, so you can tell that they might be up to something. Let us know what you think about APTOS in the comments section. Don't forget that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose only. Like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification, to get notified each time we post on this channel. Share this video on all social platforms, and let's educate more people on Web 3 projects. Don't hesitate to let us know what you would like us to discuss on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.